back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be whipping up a quick banana Foster sauce, just like the topping that they put on that delicious bread pudding that we all know and love from Ohana. It is a caramel banana Foster sauce. It typically comes on top of bread pudding. Today we're not going to be making bread pudding, and we're also not going to be using bread pudding. We're going to be using pound cake. Now, pound cake is no substitution for bread pudding, ever. It's not a thing. But I'm not feeling like making bread pudding, and so today it's all about that delicious caramel banana Foster sauce. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our full stick of butter. I know, sounds bad, but a full stick of butter, and we're going to unwrap it and we're going to cut it into slices. Your burner turned up. You're going to want to go ahead and get that on a pretty high heat. Oops. Kind of feel over the pan, the temperature of the pan, and start to feel how hot it is. Right now the pan is just starting to warm up, so we're going to go ahead and put in 2 cubes of that butter. And it's starting to melt. See that? So we've got half of our butter in the pan. We've got the other half still here. While that butter is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and take 1 banana and we're gonna go ahead and peel it, and we're gonna slice it and just go ahead and get that ready for later. Alright, so once that butter starts to get nice and hot in that pan, you're going to want to go ahead and put in your brown sugar. So we're going to put about half a pot of brown sugar. I use light brown. Go ahead and mix that in. At this point, you're going to want to just turn your heat down just a little bit and keep an eye. You don't want this sugar to burn. So we are actually not going to use rum today. What we're going to use is a creme de banana liqueur. So this is a banana liqueur. This is just what I had on hand. You can use rum, but I like to use the banana liqueur. I feel like it really enhances that banana flavor. So folks, we're going to start to add in that banana liqueur going in. You're going to want to add that banana liqueur slowly and continue to stir. You're going to also continue to add in that butter. To an almost cooked consistency where it's starting to look like it's coming together, go ahead and add in those bananas. You can use more than 1 banana if you like. I just like to use 1 banana. I'm already getting some banana flavor from that banana liqueur, and I just like little bites of banana, but I like that banana flavor. So we're gonna let that kind of continue to cook up. So for the caramel aspect, you guys, I actually made my own caramel. I will put that recipe in for you. You can make your own as well. If you don't want to be extra like I am, then you can just go ahead and buy some store-bought caramel and you can add that in. thick caramel sauce. Take about 1 spoonful of that caramel, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the sauce so I can get that caramel flavor as well. And then we're gonna save the rest of that caramel for later. All right, so we just got our pound cake here unwrapped. This is the first thing going in. We're gonna cut a nice thick slice of this, and we're gonna lay that down in our bowl first. Lay that down in your bowl. Like I said, today we are using rum raisin. You can use plain vanilla ice cream. You can use a different flavor. You can use whatever you want. If you don't know this, the rum raisin Haagen-Dazs is very, very, very rum flavored, very delicious. So then, once we've got our pound cake and our ice cream in the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and take our Foster sauce, which I just put that in a jar, and I go ahead and I just drizzle that over. I like to get some sauce. Make sure you get some bananas in there. Don't skimp on that sauce. And then we take our caramel from earlier, and I like to do just a little drizzle over top of that. Add that nice caramel flavor. So there you have it, guys. There's that Bananas Foster's sauce from Ohana. There's our version of that sauce in 5 simple ingredients. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you go ahead and give this recipe a try at home. If you enjoy this vlog and want to see more vlogs like this in the future, please comment down below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. If anyone is wondering, the apron that I was wearing today was bought at Disney World and Epcot at the World Showcase in the France Pavilion. Figaro. Big. Figaro.